doon kami mag-uusap kung ano yung mga gagawin.
Tingin niyo ba tama yung naging proseso sa warrant of arrest?
Ay, hindi talaga. Kasi nakalagay sa rules ng ICC, the defendant should be taken to a court, a local court. Dapat dinala siya sa korte. At yung proseso natin dito sa loob, yun yung masusunod para sa pag-implement ng
What were
warrant.
your instructions to the former president? What were your instructions to your father?
About the legal matters lang, no. So sinabihan ko siya na kung ano yung sasabihin at gagawin for his lawyer.
Pipi, ano pong plano niyo? Bakit po kayo nagpunta dito? Gusto niyo po ba sana makausap din si Father?
And then sinabihan ko din siya na wag tumanggap ng pagkain sa katubig kahit kanino. I understand nag-prepare sila ng go bag. Nag-usap kami kanina doon sa assistant maghanda ng go bag. So
Pipi, hindi kayo pinapasok? Ano pong plano niyo dito ngayon?
well, nag-aantay ako. Papasukin nila dahil gusto ko makausap personal si. Mahirap kasi sa video call kasi choppy. Ginajam nila yung signal. Kailangan ko siya kausapin.
Ma'am, ma'am, kahit anong mangyari, hindi siya iiwanan.
Ano pong sabi sa
Kahit anong mangyari, hindi siya iiwanan.
Maraming salamat.
Bibi Sara, sabi ni Attorney Raul Lambino, nagrant na daw yung TRO. Any update po dito? May...
Wala po akong update sa temporary restraining order ng Supreme Court. But as I said, lahat ng mga tao dyan sa loob ng base at dyan sa airport, kung Pilipino ka, hindi ka papayag na ginagawa ito.
Were you surprised?
Pipi, tumanggi po si...
Were you surprised by this scenario, or is it something that you expected?
The moment that I was still in the cabinet when this was mentioned, and the moment that I talked to the Justice Secretary, and then I noticed that he had very vague answers. We already started to prepare, but I have a different set of lawyers than President Duterte, so we have a book about what to do and all the research materials about ICC. So that is what we did, and then we shared our drafted petition. We had two for me. We shared it with the team of PRR.
VP, I know this may be a sensitive question, but have you reached out to the president itself regarding the matter?
No,
Why not?
because the way that they are doing it right now, there's no talking to the president, because it's very easy for him to say, do not turn him over to the ICC. You can detain him here, wherever in the Philippines, but do not send him wherever the ICC says.
You have a message to PBM.
If ever na madala ngayon sa dahig si dating Pangulong Marcos, kailan po balak
Ay, siya, padala mo doon.
Oh, sorry.
Dating Pangulo na siya.
Yes.
Very soon. Ano?
Very soon, why?
Ano
CPRRD.
talaga?
Soon.
If ever
Ano
na
pong
dala
message
niya
niyo
ngayon
kay
sa dahig,
PBBM?
kailan po kayo susunod doon?
Okay. Well, nag-aantay. And then, immediately, pag pinilit nila kung ano yung gusto nila at hindi yung tama, susunod ako. Kasi kailangan ko kausapin yung mga abogado doon.
Pipi, ano message mo kay
Bakit
PBBM?
Ha?
Sa tingin niyo po ba nagiging personal na po ito?
Oo, very personal. Nakikita nyo naman, nakafile sila ng impeachment ng ang basis nila is hearsay and gossip. So, it's very personal. At sabi nga, ng lahat ng kumukwestiyon sa ginagawa ng administrasyon ngayon, this is a diversion from the failures to deliver good governance and decent public service
Message niyo
to
po
the
kay
Filipinos.
Message po kay PBBM.
wala akong message sa kanya. I don't think there's talking to a person who will allow a citizen to be turned over to foreigners.
VP, can you confirm hindi pa kayo pinayagan pumasok or nagkita kayo ng clearance?
Hindi kami pinayagan. Ilang beses na kami paulit, diba?
Pinagulong sila nakikinabang.
Huwag nilang ilihis yung usapan sa mga gawa-gawa nila na mga